Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this stunning Kawasaki Z650. So gorgeous bike is this one. It's a 2018 on an 18 plate, done 7,631 miles from new. It's got the Pipeworks exhaust, it sounds superb. It's got a seat cowl, tail tidy, some bobbins on there, little fly screen, and then also some engine covers as well. So loads of nice bits on it, looks superb, sounds superb, and these are also A2 compatible as well, so you can fit restrictions to these if you are an A2 license holder. But stunning bikes, definitely one of our best selling bikes overall in this category. And if you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.